guys, welcome back to another week of Mortgage Matters in Minutes. I'm your host, Brent Rasmussen, and here in this week's episode is talking about recasting, and that's been a very common word the last few years in regards to obtaining a mortgage and then possibly adjusting your mortgage loan after you close. And recasting, first of all, is not a refinance. We get that question very often in explaining what recasting is. And recasting is very as simple as readjusting the amount that you owe, recasting the loan principal after closing. And so why is recasting used? Recasting is used very often when you haven't sold your current property and you have a lot of equity, a lot of money there, or you have a lot of money that you've inherited or saved and you want to just lower your loan amount. And that's all a recast is a readjustment of what you owe to a particular lender and adjusting your payment. So again, why do people do it? People generally use it after they've purchased a new home, sold their last home, and received the equity, and they want to roll it over and keep their loan payment down. Or again, people inherit money, people have saved money, and they want to pay their loan balance down to get a smaller, more affordable payment for them in the future. For a recast, you can do it one time on a conventional loan anytime over the life of the loan. So you don't have to do it within the first, 6 months or the first, 1 year. You can do it 5 years later, 10 years later. But generally speaking, more people do a recast the first, few months because they're obtaining the equity of their home to put down as a larger down payment and adjust their payment moving forward. If you put down more than the 22%, it will remove the PMI because, again, after closing, once your loan balance gets to 78% loan to value, your mortgage insurance will come off. And that's private mortgage insurance because it's only available a recast on a conventional loan. Recasting basically will adjust your loan size. So, for example, let's say we start with a loan amount of $300,000 and all of a sudden you have $200,000 to recast with. You contact the lender, fill out the paperwork, supply them with the $200,000. Now your loan amount goes from $100,000 goes to $100,000 from $300,000 because you put down $200,000 down. And they look at then what your current rate is. They calculate a new principal and interest at that $100,000 loan. So then obviously your payment is going to drop significantly from a $300,000 loan to a $100,000 loan. And that's what clients are looking to accomplish with doing a relock. Again, they won't change your interest rate. It's going to be whatever you closed on. You're really just lowering that loan amount and filing a new deed of trust and a promissory note to assure that moving forward, the lender still has their risks. But recasting is getting used very, very often, especially in a busy seller's market where they won't allow for a contingency offer. And when they won't allow for a contingency offer, what do? You put the minimum down your new loan at 5% down. And then once you sell your house, you turn around and lower your principal balance. So at the end of the day, you get what you want. The new house, the seller accepts your offer, and you've sold your old house, and you've lowered your loan payment down. So if we can help answer any more additional questions on recasting or anything about getting pre-approved or any kind of mortgage loan needs, feel free to reach out to us at 402-991-5153. Anytime you go to YouTube and you find us these videos here, hit the like and subscribe button. We'd love for you to have access to additional videos that will educate and guide you in giving you the best mortgage decisions that are out there as well for you. So, or our website is mtg-specialist.com. You can check out any of the blogs that we've written and any information. Thank you so much for checking us out. We'll have a great day. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Mortgage Specialists. Driven, trusted, reliable.